Good morning, my dear children. Myself Kalyani Jadhav from Samarpan Gyan School, and I am teaching in class of Junior KG. Children, we are going to talk about today N letter. So this is the capital N and this is the small n. And what is the sound of letter N? So this is the sound of letter N. Here some picture is given with their name tag. So let's see which picture is given here. So N for nuts. This is the N. N for nuts. N, nuts. Then this is the needle. N, needle. Who is using the needle? Tailor uncle. Tailor uncle stitching the clothes from needle. So this is the needle, but this is the injection. In injection also having one needle. So this is the needle. N, needle. This is the newspaper. N, newspaper. In the every morning, grandfather and grandmother are reading the newspaper. So this is the newspaper. Then who is she? She is taking care of when we are in the hospital. This is the nurse. Nurse is giving the injection also, then giving the medicine also. So this is the nurse. N, nurse. Then N, nose. N, nose. Then N, neck. N, neck. This is the N, necktie. This is the N, necktie. And this is the notepad. N, notepad. N, notepad. And this is the nail. N, nail. Here one rhyme is given related to letter N. So, Nia the naughty nightingale. Nia the naughty nightingale wants to sing all night. Now Nia said, Nanny, it is not quite right to stay awake all night till morning light. Yes, said Nia, I will sleep tonight. This is also some pictures related to letter N. So this is the small n. N, necklace. So woman or girl is wearing the necklace. N, number 9. N, net. N, nest. Who is living here? Birds. Birds living in the nest. So this is the N, nest. Trace the letter and color the picture. Here one letter is given. So which letter is given here? Capital N. So how to write? First down to up. Blue line to red line go up. Then up to down. Again red line to blue line and then again up. First down to up. Then up to down and then again down to up. Like this you will write the capital N and then color the picture. Nut. This is the nut. Trace and write. You have to first letter trace. So how to write? How to trace? Down to up standing line, then up to down slanting line, again down to up standing line. So again down to up standing line, then slanting line, then again standing line. Down to up standing line, then make slanting line, then again down to up standing line. Down to up standing line, then make slanting line, then again down to up standing line. Like this you will trace first. After that you will write the capital N. This is the small n. How to write small n? So first standing line down, go up, make curve. First standing line down, go up, make curve. Like this you will write the small n in two blue line. Then here tick the picture whose name start with small n. So this is the N for net and this is the L for log. So whose first letter N? Net. So we have to tick this. So here we have to tick this? No, because the first letter is L. Trace and write. First letter we have to trace. In blue line, standing line first, then go up, make curve. Standing line first, then make curve, go down. Standing line first, go up, make curve and go down. Standing line, go up and go down. Like this you will trace first and after that you will write. Write and below the picture whose name start with N. Here some picture is given. Below the picture you have to write the capital N and small n. So what is this? Tie. Necktie. So here necktie. So we have to write capital N and small n. This is the mouse. So we have to write this? No. This is the nurse. So nurse first letter is N. So we have to write capital N and small n. What is this? Newspaper. First letter what is this? N. So we have to write capital N and small n. Then what is this? Mat. So we have to write this? No, because the first letter M. Then this is the net. So first letter is N. So we have to write capital N and small n. What is this? Lock. So this is the first letter is L. So we have to write this? No. And this is the nest. So first letter is N. So we have to write this capital N and small n. Color the nuts with the capital N yellow and small n blue. So here capital N and small n is given in the nuts. So what we have to do? Capital N yellow. Capital N we have to yellow color and small nuts, small n blue. So inside the nut written the small n we have to blue color. So like this you will do this.